72% of interviewers make a judgment about you in the first 60 seconds of the interview. And most of that judgment comes from just one question. Tell me about yourself. It's not your resume, it's not your degree, it's not your skills. It's your opening answer. It shows clarity of thinking and how you are going to present yourself for the rest of the interview. This is the most common interview question and the one that is highly dangerous. If you speak too long, you look confused. If you speak too short, you look unprepared. If you speak without structure, the interview begins with confusion. And once that happens, everything else that follows is damage control. कुछ नहीं हो सकता है उसके बाद. Sorry. According to a LinkedIn Talent Insight study, recruiters decide whether to lean in or switch off within the first 90 seconds of meeting a candidate. Harvard research on first impressions says clarity and structure matter more than confidence. So this question is not small talk, it sets the tone for the entire interview. When the interviewer asks you, tell me about yourself, they are evaluating 4 things simultaneously. First, do you think clearly? Second, do you know your direction? Third, can you communicate without rambling? And fourth, do you sound composed or confused? They are not judging your life story. They are judging how you structure yourself. Most candidates quietly fail this question because they tell their entire story. They jump between unrelated details. They speak emotionally instead of structurally, or try to sound impressive instead of being clear. They talk at the interviewer, not for the interviewer. And the interviewer starts to think, this person may struggle with clarity under pressure. Let's not take it any further. Let's close the story. At Career Earth, we use a simple principle called the 3-line rule. It keeps introductions short, focused, and professional. Your introduction must answer only 3 questions. 1. Who are you? आप कौन है? 2. What have you done? आपने अपने जिंदगी में क्या किया है? And 3rd, where are you heading? आपको कहाँ जाना है भाई? 3 years, 5 years, goal क्या है आपका? That's it. No need to talk about your background. No childhood stories. No emotional justification of why you are the perfect candidate for this job. Let me give you a real example. A final year BBA student we worked with at Career Earth, and we asked him, tell me about yourself. Here's the structured answer. I'm a final year BBA student specializing in marketing. I have worked on 2 social media projects and completed an internship where I improved engagement by 18%. I am now looking for an entry-level digital marketing role focused on analytics and content strategy. That's it. Khatam. 3 lines. Clear. Directional. Sometimes the interviewer says, can you expand on that? Or tell me more about one project. This is where most candidates panic. Strong candidates don't improvise. They switch to structure. You don't have the time to think. You are under pressure. You need a structure and a framework to go straight at it. At Career Earth, that structure is called STAR-X. STAR stands for sequence, X stands for additional insight. Most candidates describe what happened. What do the stronger ones do? They explain what they learned or what could have been resolved so that the situation did not happen. Here's what immediately weakens your introduction. If you turn it into a biography about your parents, where you were born, which country you were born, how many schools you have changed, and so on. You speak for 3 or 4 minutes because most recruiters or interviewers, they have attention span. They won't be able to keep hearing you for more than maybe a minute at best. You sound as if you have memorized something and you're speaking. People often do that because they feel they are nervous. So what they do is they memorize the content and then they stand in front of the recruiter and answer the question. Some people use jargon to sound smart. I have done DCF, I have done NPV, I know about transformers or some jargon they will use. Now it doesn't sound structured. It sounds very, very rehearsed. Your introduction is not a story. It's a signal. Clarity matters more than confidence. Structure matters more than fluency. At Career Earth, we are trying to help people get clarity and structure so that the interview process doesn't feel very challenging. You are well prepared. Now, the interesting part about this question is tell me about yourself, is that it can be asked at any point in your life. It can be asked when you are looking for an internship. It can be asked when you are already as a working professional. Somebody can ask you about it even at senior level positions. Imagine after working for 30 or 40 years in the industry, you retire and you're looking for an opportunity in the non-profit sector. And there also you're asked, tell me about yourself. Now, what happens is that over time, you've gone through this ritual so many times that you know how to answer it very well without losing context, keeping the audience focused, knowing the seniority at which you're applying for a job. But when you are starting out, the framework is needed because that helps you keep your mind clear and not feel the interview pressure. Because under interview pressure, often candidates start to ramble. And when you are rambling under pressure, it clearly says that you might also do the same thing at office one day. And that's a very, very negative sign. The second thing is that people, when they ramble, they often end up talking about things closest to them, things that they are emotionally connected to, such as family, friends, school, childhood. And then what happens with that is the whole discussion and the whole focus of the interview shifts. It shifts to something completely different. Therefore, it is very, very important that you go prepared to handle the pressure and you answer with some very clear thinking. Otherwise, this is going to become a tough job for you because every time you will be under panic mode. How will I answer this question? Will I get rejected? Don't let that happen to you because I've seen umpteen number of very bright and brilliant people panic. Stay tuned, subscribe to Career Earth, like and comment, and let us know in the comment section what more we can answer for you. We are here to help you succeed. As I often say, clarity है तो growth है तो career है. ये हमारा आपसे वादा है.